Hi, I'm Richard Bogert with Bogert Aviation. And if you've spent any time in an aircraft maintenance shop, you've probably heard this sound. The sound of a magneto timing light. So Bogert Aviation makes aircraft terminal kits for Bendix Magneto P-leads. And we build custom P-leads for people that need us to build them for them. This particular one is for an S20 series Magneto. But I want to talk to you today about timing magnetos and how we do that. For most of my career as a mechanic, I had to use kind of makeshift methods for connecting the timing light to the magneto. Recently, we've built magneto timing test terminals that will screw right into the back of the Bendix Magnetos, just like the P-leads do. So very simple, just screw it into the back of the mag where the P-lead attaches, and then your timing light just connects to your to the test terminal, and you can accurately and reliably time a magneto. We have these available in all of the sizes for the Bendix Magnetos that have screw-in terminals, whether it's the S20, the S200 series, the 2000, 3000 series, and even a terminal for a RETARD terminal for those that have Bendix shower sparks. So if you want to make your life easier as an aircraft mechanic, get the magneto test terminals from Bogert Aviation.